Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm Sienna, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click the notification bell. So today I am doing a twist out. As you can see, these are the results. Normally I don't like to start with showing the results. You need to watch the video to find out. But this one had a little hiccup. I was trying to do a mini twist tutorial and I realized that doing mini twists on wet hair, shrinkage. I mean, that's it. That's the answer. Shrinkage. So this is just a twist out tutorial. I did my twists smaller than normal, so that's really great. Proud of myself, because normally I take big sections. But no, this is not a mini twist tutorial. So yeah, I just want to put that out there. If you hear me say this doesn't look like a mini twist, or if you see me just being a little confused, that is why. But I just wanted to let you guys know that this ain't a mini twist, okay? There ain't no mini twists up in here. So keep on watching if you want to find out how I achieved this look. Today I will be using Mielle Organics, my favorite, their pomegranate and honey line. Y'all, I mean, it just works so well on my hair. Oh my god, it's so great. So today I'm going to be using their leave-in conditioner. I'm very excited to try this out. And then the OG, y'all know, the twisting souffle. I've used this twisting souffle before. Love it. It's amazing. But it's my first time using the leave-in conditioner with it. I think I just used it by itself, but I want to give my hair a little bit more moisture today. I don't take small sections, so I'm really gonna try. Feel free to yell at me through your computer screen or TV screen if the section that I'm taking is just too big. Hopefully I'm gonna be checking myself, you know what I'm saying? Let's get started. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? This twist out better last me 10 years. Alright, it's cute though. I like it. We like it. Here for it. I don't know what this one's doing. Oh, this twist, excuse me. Get out. Oh my god, this smells so good. So this is the leave-in conditioner. It's very creamy and it smells so good. It's just moisturizing my hair. My hair eats this stuff up. And then this is a twisting souffle. It's creamy too, but it's also a little thicker, on the thicker side. Love to see it. What is going on here? Alrighty. Alright, still got a long way to go, but next section, let's get it. exactly mini twists. They are small twists. Like, okay, personally, these are mini to me. These are very small. But yeah, so obviously these aren't, I mean, this is pretty small. Alright, they're not mini, okay? I'm gonna try and make them even smaller in the front. But this is a good size for a twist out. It's the back, y'all. It's fine. Alright, come on. This is it. This is a mini twist, right? What's the sizes? Like, who's like the natural hair fairy that's just like, this is a mini twist, this isn't a mini twist? You know what I'm saying? Like, who calls that? Like, where's the rule book? Alright, this has to be a mini twist. This is a mini twist. Definitely. See, but then it like shrinks up and dries, and it's like, is it really a mini twist? Like, I don't know. Because now it doesn't look like a mini twist, really. Because, like, see, this looks mini, and then the shrinkage and stuff, but you know what? Like, why is this puffy right there? Alright, I don't have time to sit here and fixate on these fake mini twists. Now we're cooking. Alright, y'all, come on. This is a little bit more mini. They could probably be smaller, right? But I think this is what we're gonna work with. So that's what we doing. Yeah, so this is what we have. They don't look mini, but it's smaller than I've ever done a twist out. So just check those out. They're nice. It feels good. Look at these little curls at the end. I tried to make them as small as possible. So this is what we got. Like I said, it's not mini twists, but these are small. And you know what? I love these jewels. I got my lashes on. They're not really on that well, so don't look at my lashes. It's my first time, y'all. This is like my third time ever putting lashes on by myself. So don't look at that. Look at the hair. So this is what we got. I love adding the jewels in it because it just makes me happy, but it also makes me feel like it's an official hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? So these are not mini twists, but I guess it is because too I did it on wet hair, so you know, shrinkage. So I guess like I could probably really get like the real mini twist outs on like blow dried hair, but I don't feel like doing all that. That's an extra step. So we got this, but these are smaller twists than what I normally do. Okay, so I'm very proud of myself. I took small sections, y'all saw me. I took small sections. So this is my final look. Y'all, get your jewels. Get them jewels, throw them in your hair. This is a hairstyle right here, okay? I'm gonna go to the club like this one day. When outside opens back up, I'm going to the club. Hey y'all, I'm here. This is my hair. Like, that's how I'm gonna go. But thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry that this was not a mini twist out. It's just a normal twist out. My bad. But I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Maybe one of these days I'll do a mini twist out when I can blow dry my hair. I just don't feel like doing all that right now, so my apologies. But I hope you enjoyed it anyways. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.